Welcome to Best Buy. I am Chandeep Singh from Metrotown store in Burnaby, BC, and today we are unboxing Samsung's latest smartphone lineup, that is Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. They have arrived in the store, and I'm excited for you to see what's inside these boxes and help you choose which one would be the perfect one for you. First up, Samsung S25 and S25 Plus. Same power, but different sizes. Both pack Snapdragon 8 Elite chip customized for Galaxy, 12GB of RAM, and some serious next-gen AI features. S25 feels super light and compact, perfect for one-hand use. With a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, while the S25 Plus is its bigger brother, stepping up to 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display and a bigger battery. Now meet the S25 Ultra, Samsung's top-tier powerhouse. A 200-megapixel main camera for ultra-detailed shots, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide to capture more in every frame, and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto with 100x space zoom to get closer than ever. Perfect for capturing concert photos, epic selfies, and even your kids winning soccer goal from right across the fields. AI is everywhere. Now Brief keeps you updated. AI search helps you find photos and settings instantly, so no more digging through the menus. Personalized routines make the daily task effortless. With the Drawing Assist, just sketch an idea and the AI will refine into a polished illustration, perfect for creatives on the go. And of course, the S Pen, to sketch your ideas, take handwritten notes, or just doodle a bit when you're getting bored. So are you ready to experience the next generation of Samsung? Which one would you choose? The Samsung S25 series are waiting for you at your nearest Best Buy, or you can shop online at bestbuy.ca.